I'm tired, I'm changing my look, I can't do it anymore. I can't do it. I'm shaving my hair off. That's it. Stop. There is another way to change your look up. It's a bit late. No, honestly girl, like, if you're wanting to switch it up without makeup, tan your face, I'm telling you. And I'm telling you how to do it. Let's get into it. Sure. Hey guys, today we're going to be dropping any fillers and we're going to be tanning our face instead. All you need is 3 ingredients. We're going to transform from this to this with no makeup, and may I add here, it's just a great cheap way to switch up your look without being dramatic and shaving your hair off. Drop the razor. We're keeping our hair today. So what you're going to need, one big brush, one big contour sized brush. You can use a flat brush or you can use a fluffy brush. I like a fluffy brush to blend it out, but a flat brush will stop it from being a little bit more sparse and a little bit more concentrated. We like that. Is there product on this brush? Or is that my natural contour? Okay, Zoe Kravitz. A small brush. We're gonna need a small brush. I wanna do some freckles and I need to do a nose contour. Why? I feel like my face is so puffy right now, so it will help with that. Something cheap to put the tanner on. Oh my god, the most important ingredient. Self-tan. I have the St. Maurice dark tanning mousse. I think if you're my shade darker, we gotta get the dark and it's gonna look scary. Trigger warning. Let me just get started. I'm gonna start with my cheeks. I'm gonna apply the tanning mousse to the takeaway lid, or let's think of a better name for it. Tanning mousse applicator holder. TMAH. And I'm just gonna get going. So there is definitely product on this. I am not Zoe Kravitz. Oh, that's so sad. I've got black eyeshadow on this. Okay, I've washed it off. I'm gonna be so for real. YouTube is the only place that sees me at my true self, because why is this tutorial so ghetto already? Up in the ghetto, dug in the ghetto, that's all I know. Anyway, I'm gonna start with my cheeks. It's the easiest place to start, and I love this brush because I'm just gonna go under the cheekbone. I'm gonna leave this looking like Zoe Kravitz. I'm telling you right now. A dip, 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 and I'm just gonna go under, like where my natural contour is, or should I say the black eyeshadow. And I'm just gonna let that sit before I blend it out and do the other side. So same thing. This side, we're not gonna talk about the fact that I don't have contour on this side. We're gonna make contour on this side, but yeah, it's a bit harder to find. Yeah, see, that one makes sense. We're not gonna talk. I feel like I just have different cheeks, so I do have to do it slightly different. Blend it, buffer it out. And I also like to go just right here, because we do have a natural contour there. And it just snatches the face a little bit. You don't want it too dark, because that's unnatural, but I do think you can go quite dark with the cheek. Obviously this is the dark tanning mousse, so we're gonna build it up. And then again over the eye. And I'm gonna let that set, just because if you put on too many layers without it drying, it just blends into one nightmare. I've done it before. Next, the forehead. Yeah, cause golly, sorry. I've been watching a lot of Lil B on YouTube, so I'm like, yeah. This, I'm sorry in advance. More tanning mousse. We're gonna go for that forehead, dip, dip, dip up, and I'm so glad I have braids because I literally can just like get it in my hair and not worry. So I'm just putting it around the complete like highest point. This is what works for me. Like obviously different shaped faces go on your face shape. I know that when I like to do my makeup, I put my contour all the way up and I can blend out, but that is just the point that makes my forehead look smaller. If you have a bigger forehead on the sides, you might want to go more into this corner, but mine is here. And I already kind of love that. I'm gonna blend it out in a second, and while the brush is a little bit faded out, just places that I don't want that dark, I'm gonna start to go over. So sides of chin. I actually don't usually contour my chin, but once I went to a makeup artist and she did it, and it just snatched me. It snatched me. This bit can end up looking a bit dirty, so don't go too ham. Yes! Does it look dirty? Start to blend that again, back into the hairline because you don't want it too tough. We can go darker, so I'm just gonna go back in on the cheeks. Back in on the cheeks. And I'm gonna let it settle again before I blend it out. Now that I've done my face contour, the most important part to no makeup, eyebrows. I don't usually do my eyebrows, but if I'm not wearing makeup, like, I just kind of love to look like I am, if that makes sense. No, it probably doesn't. Now we're gonna go in with our teeny tiny brush. A brush so tiny, we gotta zoom in. It's so small, like this is the size of my finger. And this is the size of my brush. Needless to say, we want accuracy. So I'm taking some of the mousse on my TMAH. Woo! And basically I'm just going on the places I usually contour my nose. No blending yet, because these are the places you want pronounced, right? And then I'm gonna go in with a gradiented dispersed contour. But yeah, and just remember, it will not be this dark once we wipe it off. Doing this is just really good for like when you're going on holiday. Like imagine waking up with this brow. Perfect. And because our brush is so tiny, we can add a little wing. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And people can say, you wear makeup? No, girl. Okay, and now my favorite part of my makeup, my nose contour. Ooh, girl, it's dark. One problem I have found I haven't really solved with the nose contour is I end up looking a little bit dirty stuff. So I'm actually probably gonna go a little bit lighter than I was saying. I've picked up the tanning mousse once, and I'm just working it around my nose just so it's not too harsh. Because your nose is kind of the first thing people look at. But I just want to like really define what shape we're seeing here. These sides of my nose, just to camouflage it a little bit. Like that. It made a difference, girl. It made a difference. I'm not delusional, I love it. It's like painting, it really is. And now I'm snatched. And like, I actually really love the bridge. I don't usually draw a bridge, but I really love it in this time. And I'm just gonna connect that to my eye and then blend that out with my finger, just for some cohesion. It does help blend it a little bit, but yeah, this is my tanned face. So that was easy, right? Do you feel like a baddie now?
Yes!
Do you still want to shave your head?
Yes!
Perfect. I'm gonna leave this on for 2 hours, come back, wash it off. No, sorry. I'm gonna leave this on for 2 hours, come back, no, wash it off, then come back and show you guys the results. Let's see. Okay, 2 hours later and I've washed it off. First impressions, you can definitely tell that my eyebrows are darker. I like it because I've got dark hair as well. So that works. I do feel cuter, I do. But is it that obvious? I think I definitely look a little bit more tanned. Whether that's contour or just a bit of like undertone, I don't know. But I will say, if I come up close, this nose contour is way more pronounced than I expected. Like especially that one, you can really see it there. And this one. And this has dyed so dark, but just because I've been ill and all the tissues like really made, you know, I don't know if this happens to you, but it's really made the skin rough. So I think that's taken the fake tan almost too well. But overall, if I wasn't ill, I like it. I got my errands done, I had a chat with my neighbors, I cleaned my room, like things got done. And I would do it again. I feel like, especially for the days I'm not trying to wear extra makeup, it's really nice. And I don't feel the urge to bleach or shave my hair anymore, which is good. I feel like a new girl. It was a quick one today. If you don't know me, I make YouTube videos. I try to make them every week. This month I make them every month. But please subscribe, please like, please just like, in fact, forget that, watch another video. I just be making shit. Final thoughts, have a good day. You deserve it. If you watch this far, you deserve a good day.